Assalomu alaykum. Yoshlar ishlari agentligi tomonidan qo'llab-quvvatlanadigan Top 100 universitetlar loyihasining navbatdagi video darsini e'tiboringizga havola etamiz. Ushbu video darsda biz qanday qilib Varshava universitetiga hujjat topshirishni o'rganamiz. Mening ismim Abdurafikov Khamidullokh. Video ingliz tilida bo'lib o'tadi. Demak, biz boshladik. So, why Poland? In order to answer to this question, we have to look our blue points. Firstly, its high quality of education. Poland universities are highly rated according to QS ranking system. For example, Jagiellonian University and the University of Warsaw are rated in top 500, and University of Warsaw is rated in top 300 universities according to QS. And secondly, great communication with international students. So about 80,000 international students currently study in Poland universities. So you have an opportunity to make friends worldwide, and you will be connected to the rest of the world. So mainly, low cost of living and study in Poland is one of the main reasons why you should choose Poland. So living in a capital of Poland like Warsaw is also cheap compared to other European cities. So, and the tuition fee for your university is also really affordable for average person. For example, in any universities the cost of tuition fee ranges from 1,000 to 4,000 euros. And the next reason why you should choose Poland is great travel destinations for everyone. If you like traveling or if you like history, Poland is a great destination for you. There are historical cities and historical museums in Warsaw, in Krakow, and in other cities of Poland. And Poland is really beautiful. And there are a lot of beautiful cities in Poland that you can enjoy while your studies. There are a lot of beautiful cities that you can enjoy during your studies. So about University of Warsaw. The University of Warsaw was founded in 1816. Today, it's the largest university and the best research center in Poland. According to the QS ranking, the University of Warsaw is ranked 258th. So here are fun facts about the University of Warsaw. Firstly, as I mentioned before, University of Warsaw holds first place in national university ranking system. The next one is University of Warsaw is a member of the 4EU Plus Alliance, which consists of University of Milan and Charles University, University of Warsaw, and others. And it holds HR Excellence in Research Distinction Award by European Commission. And 6 Nobel Prize winners finished this university. So these are former alumni of this university. And the most important part is that 94% of UW's alumni find employment in the first year of their graduation, which is a great news for everyone who wants to study in this university. So here are international cooperation of this university, and University of Warsaw has more than 1,000 national and international partners worldwide. 600 of them are cooperating with the UW within the Erasmus Plus program. So if you are enrolled to the University of Warsaw, you can continue your study with Erasmus Plus program. So let's go to the application process of the university. First of all, you have to register in the university site, which is irk.uw.edu.pl. And secondly, you have to find suitable program and then apply for the program. Then pay the application fee and participate in the oral examination and wait for the announcement of results. Okay, let's see the process in details. In order to create your personal account, you have to register in the University of Warsaw's registration site. Here you can add your email and password. Then you will create your account. And then you have to find suitable program for you, and pay attention here. The deadlines of these programs might differ according to the program. And there might be several phases of application. For example, you can see that global environment and development master's degree had only one phase of application, so be careful and do not miss your deadlines. So the next one is Masters in Food System program had 3 cycles, so 3 phases of application. The first one started in 25th April and finished in 23rd May. And the last phase, which is phase 3, started in 5th September and finished in 17th September. Don't miss your chance and apply for the program on time. Okay, the next one, select the program, and by pressing the sign up button, you can register for the program. After registration, you have to pay the application fee for the program. It might differ from program to program, but on average, it's about from 20 to 25 US dollars. In Poland zloty, it will be from 70 to 100 zloty. After paying for the program, you will be informed the details of examination and you will receive confirmation of your payment. And then you have to prepare for the oral examination. For example, my program was Masters in International Relations, and here you can see the topics of oral examination. This examination will be held via Zoom or Google Meets. So here you can see the topics of the examination. And after successfully passing the examination, you have to wait for the results of the exam. The results will be announced in 3 days, and the maximum point of the exam is 30 and the minimum point is 12. If you gain 12 mark, you can consider yourself as a successful applicant. A week after the announcement of the results, you will be informed and you can download from your personal account the decision of your enrollment. Congratulations, you have been admitted to the university. And this was all about the application process of the University of Warsaw. And thank you for your attention. If you want to know how to win a scholarship and secure your place in the university, please check our previous video about the NAWA scholarship. Thank you for your attention.